should we open it?
Yeah.
Okay, the...
Couple. Oh, Keystone shirt.
Oh, wow.
Nice shirt.
Turn it over.
Get this one off. Have this.
Oh, cool.
Get this one. What's this one?
Oh, it's a lunchbox, I think.
Wanna open it?
Okay.
Wanna open?
Let me
This
see.
is a plate.
It's like a little box you can put things in.
Put these.
Oh, look, you can put things in that box.
Yeah. And put this in too. No, set it.
Bring it over here. I'll help you set it.
Yeah.
You gotta move it out of the way. There. Cool. That's from Grandma.
And
Just put it down. Should we put your shirt on? Say thanks, Grandma. Can you say that?
where's Grandma go? Where's Grandma go? Where's Grandma go?
You want to try your shirt on and take a picture?
Go, 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 go.
Yeah, is Elijah saying goo goo?